In this video, I'll show you how to take any design and drop it into a realistic mockup so it actually looks like a real product. My name is Khalid and I do simple step-by-step Photopea tutorials. So, in Photopea, click Open from Computer, choose the mockup that you want. Here, in this example, I'm showing you this hoodie mockup. The reason I chose this mockup, I will show it on the screen right now. In the layers, there are different layers that allow you to edit different things about this mockup. I will show you all of these things now on this mockup. So to start, click on the little square that is showing on the picture on the layer called Body Design. This is where you place your design. Then just simply go to File, Open and Place, click on the design that you want to add. One of the cool things about this mockup is that they have this layer called Safe Area. So this shows you the silhouette of the mockup of the hoodie itself while you are placing your design. So you can place it without any issues. So let me just move the design so it fits on the mockup and just click Transform Controls to remove the resizing square. Then just simply click the eye icon for the safe area layer and the placeholder layer to hide them both, and then go to File, Save Smart Object to add the design to the mockup. Now as you can see, the design is added to the mockup, but the color is gone. Now it's white. So to add the color to the mockup, simply use the eyedropper, click on any place on the layer. It will take the color and it will add it to your colors. So you can just simply add it using the bucket tool. Then simply click Save Smart Object again and the color will be added in the mockup. Now we move to the kangaroo pocket area. So to add a design here, just simply click the little square on the layer called kangaroo pocket. The designer of this mockup made it so easy to modify it. Then simply use the same method again. Add the design that you want and then save smart object, and then just click on the other tab. You will see that your design has been added to it. Now let's try to change the color for the whole thing. I want to add a black color to this hoodie. So for the area where the jumping person is and the area where I put my brain picture, to change the color, it is the same way that we did it before. Now to change the cuffs color, simply click on the red square on the layer called cuffs color, and you will choose whatever color that you want. The creator made it so easy in this mockup. Now for this t-shirt mockup, it's fairly the same thing, also straightforward. So just simply click on the little square on the placeholder layer and then go to File and Open and Place and place the image that you want. So here I'm going to place this image of the brain with the text added to it. Then go to File, Save Smart Object. But you will notice here that when we saved, the t-shirt became white. Now for example, let's say you want to use the black color specifically. Just simply add a new layer and you can use the bucket tool to add whatever color you want. Add the color, then File, Save Smart Object, and the color will be added to the full t-shirt. I'm going to show you a close-up. I don't know if you can see the folds and the wrinkles in the shirt from the video. I hope you can. Now let me show you this. It's not just that you can change the color, you can add pictures also or backgrounds to your design. So now here, for example, I am going to add this background behind my picture of the brain with the text, and this picture will be added to the full design. Let me just place it and you will see. Then just simply click File, Save Smart Object, and check out the design. I think you're starting to get the idea now. Then to save the image, just go to File, Export as, choose the format that you want choose the format that you want, PNG, JPEG, whatever you want, and name it. And here I will show you another design that I found. So you can just add it simply, just like the one before, behind the picture, and then click Save Smart Object. I like this design because it looks like the Matrix. Also, one more variation I want to show you on this design. You can add a split colors if you want also. Like here, for example, I'm adding a box on the left and another same duplicate box on the right. So I'm going to color one of them one color, and the other I'm gonna keep it black. So let's do pink and black, and just make sure that just make sure that the design or the image that you're working with gets above the layers of the colors or the background. Then simply smart save or smart object save, and this is how the design looks with the different colors. And here I'm going to show you something different, and I'm going to add the same design to this mockup. And I just want to show you that a design that you put on a t-shirt or a hoodie can also work on other things. So if you have a business like POD, consider adding these different things to your work, because one design can work on different places. By the way, if you want to take your Photopea skills further, I put together a free guide. It's packed with tips, shortcuts, and highly recommended sites, and most of them are completely free. I also included direct links to every site in the guide so you can check them out easily. Just click the link in the description to grab the free guide. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.